Now let's turn to Storm Watch 12 Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman to give us a look at what our conditions are like outside right now.
Well, we just have some spotty snow showers for most inland areas. The coast, though, has been seeing some areas of snow. You can see there on those grassy surfaces in Brookings. We do have some snow on the ground, and there is still some light snow in the area. Here's a look at the satellite and radar imagery. You can see some of those snow showers impacting Curry County. It's very hit and miss, the snow showers further inland, but I do expect overnight into tomorrow more of the snow shower activity to pick up a bit, and then we could get a period of some pretty persistent moderate to heavy snow for the coast and coastal mountains into tomorrow morning and midday. That'll be a concern when it comes to travel. And I should mention, any wet roads will likely turn icy tonight because temperatures already either at or below freezing across much of the region. 32 in Brookings and Medford, 19 already in Klamath Falls, 18 in Lakeview, and 25 in Montague. So tonight, cold temperatures, winds will be a bit breezy up in the mountains and then over on the over by the coast. And then for tomorrow, we expect another very chilly, well below average day. Areas of snow on and off, and then eventually some steadier, heavier snow at times for parts of the region, especially late in the day on into tomorrow night in the Mount Shasta area. Here's a look at snow levels. They're going to stay very low through tomorrow. So the primary form of precipitation tomorrow should be in the form of snow from the coast all the way over to the east side. And that's going to mean some more accumulation. We have winter storm warnings in place, including for coastal Curry County until 10 a.m. on Thursday and above 1,500 feet for the west side. In the Mount Shasta area, that winter storm warning will go into place later tomorrow and then continue into Friday. Similar story for this winter weather advisory for portions of Siskiyou County, and then along the Cascades and the Siskiyous, and over on the west side below 1,500 feet, we also have a winter weather advisory continuing through much of tomorrow morning. So here's a look at total snowfall from tonight basically through Friday morning. Fairly light totals in the Medford area. May see up to an inch or two towards Grants Pass, a better chance of the Illinois Valley seeing up to a few inches, and there's the potential of several inches of snow for parts of the coast and especially up into the coastal mountains. And then look at the bullseye that we have in the Mount Shasta area, a good 1 to 2 feet of snow expected, and then into tomorrow night on into Friday morning, the east side should pick up at least a few inches of snowfall or more. So basically everyone is going to see some difficulties with travel because of the snow. So very spotty to scattered activity into tomorrow morning. Notice how coverage picks up a bit as we go throughout the morning for the west side. And then as we move into tomorrow night, there's that heavier snow setting up in the Mount Shasta area into the Klamath Basin. Going to be a pretty nasty morning commute on Friday in the basin and especially throughout much of Siskiyou County. Storm system finally pulls away. We'll get a bit of a break in the Rogue Valley. Saturday, temperatures getting back up into the lower 50s for highs. But some great news for skiers and snowboarders. Lots of fresh powder. It will be very cold tomorrow. More snow at Mount Ashland, but sunshine on Saturday. Likely over 2 feet of snow being picked up through Friday for the Mount Shasta Ski Park. So Saturday likely going to be a busy day on the mountain. And it gets more active once again, only a quick break on Saturday, and then we're tracking more storm systems into next week. So your 7-day forecast for the coast, snowy tomorrow, but brighter and milder conditions Friday and Saturday. Northern California, snow is going to cause some big headaches in the Mount Shasta area, especially later tomorrow on into Friday. A break in the action on Saturday. The Klamath Basin, snowy, especially later in the day tomorrow and then on into Friday morning. Some milder and brighter conditions on Saturday. More snow in the forecast for Sunday into early next week. The Cascades and Siskiyous still dealing with problems with snow and difficult travel over the next couple of days, and then more snow in the forecast for Sunday into next week. So travel is going to be an issue as we wrap up February due to snow. And then in the Rogue Valley, snow likely tomorrow, cold temperatures, a break in the action, but more wet and wintry weather Sunday into early next week, and snow levels looking to stay rather low with those storm systems as well. Haley?